Buying a tech gadget is exciting. That feeling of purchasing, unboxing and experiencing new technology is unmatched. Well, at least for tech enthusiasts like you and me. But for the longest time, buying tech has been confusing. People at offline stores try to sell products which have the highest margins, and online marketplaces have average recommendation engines. Hence, often it's very difficult to choose the right tech gadget for you. Well, not anymore. Introducing Technolobe Support. Change the way you buy tech. Now, we at Technolobe have always tried to help you find that right tech gadget for you. And to extend this vision, we are launching Technolobe Support. How does it work? Well, let me give you a quick demo. First up, go to your Chrome browser and go to this URL, support.technolobe.com. This is our official website. You can see change the way you buy tech with Technolobe Support. If you scroll down, you will see a WhatsApp button over here, and once you click that button, it will open up your WhatsApp and just send a hi to us. Once you send a hi, you will see a welcome message over here. It will ask for your basic details like full name, email ID and your query. You can type in all the details and you will be good to go. I want to buy a smartphone under rupees 20,000. Camera is main priority. Please suggest some good options. So that's it. This is how you can message us and we will assist you in the best way possible. Just go to support.technolobe.com, click on the WhatsApp button, it will open up your WhatsApp, send in your query and we will help you out. So that's how simple Technolobe Support is. Just log on to our website and click the WhatsApp button, or you can directly WhatsApp on this number 8698721000. Again, 8698721000. Save this number and do WhatsApp with your tech queries. You can ask about smartphones, laptops, PCs, headphones, whatever you want, and we will try to find the best match for you and the best answer for you. Also share this with all your friends and family and they'll definitely appreciate it. Now we are also launching an Instagram page and YouTube Shorts channel where you'll find some really interesting short form tech content. So go ahead and follow on the Instagram page and subscribe to the YouTube Shorts channel as well. All the links will be available in the description box below. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions or feedback, you can fill the form on the website or you can email us at support@technolobe.com. We are here to listen, we are here to grow, and let's make it a very good support channel. So anyway, that was it. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.